Little storyteller.
Percy Penguin waddled happily in the sparkly snow. He loved building snow forts. His forts had round walls and tall towers, perfect for peeking. Percy wanted to share his building fun with his friends. First he found Wally Walrus. Wally had big floppy whiskers and even bigger tusks. "Wally," Percy squeaked, "let's build a snow fort." Wally's eyes twinkled. Percy showed Wally how to pat the snow into big square bricks. Wally made a brick, then looked at it closely. Chomp! He ate it. Mmm! Yummy snow! Wally chuckled, snow crumbs around his mouth. Percy giggled. Wally's snow bricks are for building, not eating. Next, Percy found Sammy Seal. Sammy had sleek shiny fur and big round eyes. "Sammy," Percy called, "want to help build a snow fort?" Sammy clapped his flippers excitedly. Percy started building a wall. Sammy watched. Then with a Wally, he slid right through the snow bricks, scattering them. Sammy giggled, his body wiggling. "Feety tiny tie." Like a slide, he barked happily, sliding through the scattered bricks again. Percy chuckled. "Snow forts aren't for sliding through, Sammy." Percy sat in the snow, a little bit sad. He wanted to build a fort with his friends. Wally and Sammy saw Percy's sad face. "Percy," Wally said, "maybe I can help in a different way." He used his big tusks to gently push large piles of snow together. Sammy wiggled over. "And I can make the snow extra smooth for sliding." Percy's eyes lit up. "That's a wonderful idea." So Percy built a small, cozy snow fort. Wally pushed big snowdrifts nearby, making a snowy hill, and Sammy slid all over the hill, making it super smooth and fun. They all played together. Percy peeked out of his fort. Wally rested happily by the snowy hill, and Sammy slid and giggled. They learned that even if they liked to do different things, they could still have fun together. Sometimes the best way to play is when everyone uses their own special talents.
Please subscribe. Thank you.